Hello, welcome to your lesson for 7.1. This is a lesson about dimes, nickels, and pennies. So if you have some change laying around at home and a piece of paper, you can actually do something like this yourself at home. So I'm going to be sorting them and talking about how these coins are alike and different, and showing you what is on the heads and tails side of each to help you identify them better. And in each of these circles, I'm going to write down things that are special about each coin. So let's start with a penny. So I'll have you look at these, see if you can guess which one is the penny. If you guess this small copper coin, you are correct. So this is a penny. Let's see if we can look closer at it. So on the head side is someone probably familiar to you because we read a story on him. That is President Abraham Lincoln. And on the tail side is a building that might also be familiar to you. That would be the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. So I'm going to place this coin in the penny circle. And I'm going to jot down some quick facts about it. I'll do these facts in red. Okay. So the penny has Abe Lincoln on it. It has the Lincoln Memorial. It is made of copper. They mention copper in your Reading Street story called Soil. And the penny, if I didn't already say it, is worth 1 cent. And yesterday in the vocabulary lesson, I showed you what the cent sign looks like. It's like a lowercase c with a straight line through it. All right, so there are some features that help us figure out which coin is a penny. Next, let's look at the nickel. Take a look at these, see if you can guess which one is the nickel. If you guessed this coin, you are correct. This is a nickel. Going to put it in the nickel circle, and let's take a better look at it. So on the head side of a nickel is another president. This is President Thomas Jefferson. And on the tail side, we can identify a nickel by the Monticello. That is Jefferson's home that was built in Virginia. He had it built and he designed it for himself. So that's what a nickel looks like. You can see it's a little bit thicker and like a little fatter looking than the penny. That can be another way to determine a nickel. It's also a different color from the penny. You'll notice that it's silver. Okay. I said Thomas Jefferson is on it. The Monticello is on the tail side. And a nickel's worth, that means how much its value is 5 cents. Okay, so far we've done a penny worth 1 cent and a nickel worth 5 cents. Finally, the last coin we'll look at today is the dime. This one has a little goop on it. I apologize about that. Make sure that if you're ever handling real money that you always wash your hands afterwards. So we'll go ahead and start on the tail side since that's what's up right now. The tail side of a dime has a couple things on it. And it might be a little hard to see, but if you Google a picture, you'll be able to see a clearer one. On the dime is an olive branch a torch, kind of like what they carry in the Olympics, and an oak branch. And the olive branch is a symbol of peace. Okay, and on the head side, let's move over here. On the